All right, and here we go with number 12 from your Geometry Chapter 6 self-test, where we have a triangle, RAN, right here, and we know that that's equilateral. Therefore, all of these sides are the same, and all the angles that are in there are the same. And we know that all those angles have to be 60 degrees, because it's 180 degrees in a triangle. And we know that NB, this ray from N to B, bisects RNA. So that means that each of these two angles would have to be 30, because we know that this whole angle RNA has to be 60 based on the fact that we have an equilateral triangle. And we're asked to find the arc. This is the arc from R to A to N. The arc from R to A to N is exactly what it sounds like, from R to A to N. Not here, this would just be Rn. We want from R, A, N is right there. So what we're going to do to figure out exactly how long this arc is we can use the fact that we know that RAN is an equilateral triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of highlight this arc here. From R to A. R to A is the intercepted arc from this angle RNA. Notice that this angle RNA opens up to that red arc there. And the relationship between an inscribed angle and the intercepted arc is half or double, depending upon what it is that you know. We know that this angle is 60 degrees because this is an equilateral triangle. So if this angle right here is 60 degrees, this arc, this red arc, has to be 120 degrees because 120 is double 60. So RA, and then that's kind of the notation I use. It's supposed to be an arc there. I know it looks more like an arrow, but the arc from R to A is 120. But we want R to A to N. So we got to kind of complete this arc by going from A to N. So there's that gold arc there. Well, this gold arc here is the intercepted arc of the angle NR and A. Well, NR and A is from that equilateral triangle. Therefore, this angle is also 60 degrees because of the fact that it's equilateral. And the intercepted arc right here has to be double that angle. So therefore, the arc NA or AN is 120 degrees also. So the red is 120, the gold is 120. We put those together, RAN has to be 240. So the arc RAN is 240 degrees.